Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha reports, we in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out when the new moon of Zulhajj was about to appear. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoso wants to wear ihram for the Umrah may wear it, and whoso wants to wear ihram for the Hajj may wear it. And if I had not brought the sacrificial animal, I would have also put on the ihram for the Umrah. Some of us wear the ihram for the Umrah and some of us for the Hajj. I was among those who wore the ihram for the Umrah. I had a period before entering Makkah Mukarramah, and I was menstruating on the day of Arafah. When I complained to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, abandon your Umrah, undo your hair and comb them, and wear the ihram for the Hajj. I acted accordingly. When the night of Hasbah came, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent me to Tan'im along with Hazrat Abdul Rahman. She rode behind him and wore ihram for the Umrah in place of her missed Umrah. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu caused her to complete her Hajj and Umrah and did not necessitate any sacrificial animal, charity or fasting. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1786.